Governor Cooper is ordering a nightly statewide curfew to try and get the virus under control. He's calling it a modified stay-at-home order. It takes effect late Friday afternoon. The order includes a 10 o'clock curfew at night that will force most businesses to close.
Now, local leaders in the East say they know something has to be done to turn around the trend in cases, but they worry about how restrictions will affect businesses already hit hard by the pandemic.
9 on your side's Caroline Boyer continues our team coverage live in Greenville tonight. Caroline, what's the breakdown of the new executive order?
Ken, Angie, Governor Roy Cooper has warned before that he would take more action if necessary to slow the spread of COVID-19 in our state, and that's exactly what he's doing with this new executive order. Starting Friday at 5 p.m., North Carolina will move into a statewide curfew. People will be expected to stay home from 10 p.m. until 5 a.m. Restaurants, bars, and personal care businesses will be required to close at 10. Cooper is also moving the alcohol sales curfew up 2 hours to 9 p.m. daily. Stores that sell groceries, gas, and healthcare supplies will not be required to close at 10. The order starts Friday and will be in effect until January 8th. There are some exceptions to the curfew, like traveling for work or to take care of a family member. Greenville Mayor P.J. Connolly says this step by the state is better than a full shutdown, but he does worry about local bars.
Many of them have been closed for most of the year. They've been able to partially open up over the last couple months, and be able to produce a little bit of revenue, but it has been very tough for many of the bar owners in our area and across the state. I do think it'll probably impact them probably more than any of the other businesses.
Right now, the state's county alert map shows Pitt County as orange, indicating substantial community spread. 80% of North Carolina's counties are now in orange or in the higher red level, indicating critical spread of the virus. And Governor Cooper says this might not be the end. He's prepared to add more restrictions if necessary to slow the spread of COVID-19. Live in Greenville, Caroline Boyer, 9 on your side.